Wallaby? What did I tell you? Wallaby, no, that's the big piece. That's for the fox. That's the big chicken piece. Lou, he's got the big chicken piece. Oh no, he's not alone. Oh no. Oh no, he's putting it all over the garden. We've got chicken everywhere.
Scare off.
Clear off, Wallaby. I'm telling you tomorrow, you're not having any more crab sticks.
The dogs scare them off.
You can't, you want to see the garden.
No, scare them off. They're for the foxes.
Oh, see what he's done to the garden? It's all everywhere. It's like that raw meat that we had that time. Oh, and his mate's laughing as well. Oh. That's it. Back off, Wallaby. Oh my God. Now bugger off and be good and clear up that mess.